Hello everyone, my name is Emma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is part 3 of my how-to series and it's going to be quite a short one today, but I'm going to be talking you through how I do my soap brows. So if you're interested, then please continue watching. Okay, so as always, I'm just going to talk through the stuff that you're going to need to do the soap brows. So obviously, you're going to need some soap, and I have the Pink Honey Texture Hold soap. Now, this is obviously a fan favourite within the makeup community, but you can just use, before I had this, I just used like a soap bar from, I think it was from the Body Shop, but anything like soap, but a lot of brands do this now. And I've used mine quite a lot, but there's a hole in the middle for you to put your spoolie in, which is perfect. So you're gonna need some soap and some spoolies. I've got some of these from Pink Honey, and then also, I'm not sure where I got the other ones from, but I just use these ones that you can like reuse, and you can also clean them as well. So that's great. But there's also some brushes that you can get that have like this, that are like double-ended and just got a spoolie on it. So yeah, and then I just use water as well to wet my spoolie, but you can use setting spray or anything like that just to get the spoolie like wet so that it can get the soap on it. Okay, so I've zoomed you guys in so that you can see. So you make sure not to have any product on your brows, and I would also suggest to do this before you do any foundation or anything, because you will get it kind of above your eyebrow. So just make sure your eyebrows are really clean, there's not any product on them. I know that some people, I used to do this, I used to put on some product before I did the soap, but it was just getting very messy. So this is the routine I do now. So your brows are clean, and now you can go in with your soap. So I'm just going to spray my spoolie with a couple of sprays of water, and then just twirl it around in the pot, and you can go in multiple times, so yeah, as long as you've got some on your spoolie. And first of all, I just kind of like to run it through my eyebrows, and as you can see, it like separates them, makes them quite fluffy. And again, a load of people like to keep them quite like messy and fluffy like that, but I first of all, I just brush them all up like that, and then I just go across the top and just push them down a little bit at the top to start to shape them into the shape that I like. Okay, so now it's the shape that I like. You can go in with your finger and just push your eyebrows down, and that will keep them in place all day. And you might just have to go back in and kind of separate some eyebrow hairs out again, because sometimes they do stick together once you do that. I'm just going to go through and just make sure they are in the right place before they start to set. And while those are drying, I'm going to go and do the other eyebrow off camera. Okay, so now that we have done both eyebrows, I'm just going to go in with a cotton bud. I'm going to clean up on top and on bottom of my eyebrow, just to get rid of all of the excess product. So there we go. And now when you put your foundation on and that, it won't go crispy, because sometimes when you leave the soap on there, it doesn't sit very nicely. And you can leave your eyebrow as it is now, just with no product in, but I am going to fill it in just with some eyebrow pencil, just to make them a bit more fuller. And I usually use the Benefit Precisely My Brown pencil, but it's running really low, so I've got this one from LA Girl, and I'm just going to use that today. So I'm just going to fill in brow hairs where it's a bit empty, so just light strokes of hairs. Okay, so now the final step is to carve out underneath your eyebrow, and you can use either a concealer or an eyeshadow base. So I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer on a Peaches and Cream PC52 brush, and I'm just going to really lightly cut underneath my eyebrow. Okay, so here we have my final eyebrows. So this is how I do my soap brows. I'm just going to finish off my makeup and then I'll be right back. Okay, so my makeup is done and I've just gone for a really simple everyday makeup look today. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. As I said, this is part 3 of my how-to series. So keep an eye out for some more videos and leave me some comments down below of anything that you want to see in this series. And like always, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment, and also check out my Instagram, EmmaFordXO. Everything will be in the bio down below. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.